Okay, just cut that. We got to do that over again. You've seen that in production of films, right? We're going to talk about doing that in your life. You ever notice in your life like something is not going well and you're just kind of going along with it? Let's take japa, for example. Chanting some bad rounds, continue chanting bad rounds. Pretty soon you hit 16 bad rounds. Have you ever done it? We all have. Why don't we stop midway and just say, cut, okay, you move here, you do that, you say this line this way. Why don't we cut? Okay, mind, all right, stop thinking about that. Okay, heart, let's get into the mood. Why don't we do that? Well, you know what? You can do that. You can cut. What if your marriage is not working well because you have a certain behavior or a certain attitude and it's not working for your spouse? Okay, cut. Let's do that scene over again. Okay, say it this way instead. Do it this way instead. Okay, getting up late every morning for the last year. Cut. Okay, let's do this an hour earlier. Okay, let's make this scene an hour earlier. We can actually do that, but unfortunately, we don't always cut it. We just let it go, and it just goes and goes and goes and goes. Now, some devotees might think, well, it's just my nature, it's just my karma, it's just this person or that. Don't think that way. Don't think that way. That's not the way Krishna wants us to think. He's telling us what to do and what not to do. So he's not saying, whatever. That's not the shloka. Whatever is for the people who are going that way, not for devotees. So it's a powerful mantra. When you're in a situation, it's not going the way you want it because of something that you're doing, you can just tell yourself, I don't have to continue doing it this way. I don't have to accept this situation. I can change this. Obviously, there's certain things you can't change. There's no question. But there are things we can change. And when we can change them and we don't change them, that's a problem. So this mantra is powerful. I do this all the time when I'm chanting and I'm getting distracted or I'm not really putting my heart into it. I just stop and tell myself, you know, you don't have to chant this way. You could chant better. And you might think, well, that sounds so simple. Or you might even think, that sounds ridiculous. How is that going to do anything? Try it. Because you consciously can make an effort to make it better. You can do that. And when you remind yourself that you can do that, then at that point, you will probably start to do it. So you can start with japa, experiment with that. When you're not doing it well, then think, okay, what do I have to do now to do it well? Maybe I have to pray. Maybe I have to sit up straight. Maybe I have to go outside, get some air. Maybe I have to read something. Maybe I just have to think, okay, what does the holy name mean? Or what am I trying to accomplish? What's in my heart? What should I pray for? Whatever it is, just do it. And you will see, okay, that was a cut. We re-established the way we want to do the next scene. And you will see it works. And once you understand it works, you can start cutting scenes in your life to make them better. Yes, I know it sounds simple. You want to know why it sounds simple? Exactly, because it is. Hare Krishna.